Good day everybody, today we got this Kia Sorento model 2007 VGT engine. And let's take a look at the car. The car is in a pretty good condition. Show you everything from outside and inside. Let's start by looking at 360-degree view of the car. The body looks clean from outside. We got small damage here. Alright, TLX. This side is clean as well. There's no rust. Let's check out the doors as well. Here's the first door. Looks very clean. There's no rust. Let's check the edges as well in here. Also, they look very clean. Let's check the other door. A little bit of rust here. Other than that, everything looks fine. Even the door here looks pretty clean. Let's go check the other side. Here's the passenger side door. Also, this one is pretty clean. There's no rust at all. The car is in a pretty good condition actually. Let's check this one as well. Everything looks fine. Let's check the trunk. Here is the trunk. Let's open it and check it out. Everything looks fine. Check the edges in here. Also this one here. Now let's shift to the engine room. Alright, here I open the engine room here. The engine sounds okay. And everything looks normal here. The battery. There's a little bit of smoke going out, as you can see. So the engine sounds good. Looks like it has no problems. Right, now I got inside the car. Alright, let's start by checking out here. Put the key on. As you can see here, lights are on. When you start the engine, lights are all gone. So yeah, there's no problem at all with the engine here. Let's try to accelerate. Let me open the window first. Okay, we accelerate, check the sound of the engine and the RPMs movement here. Okay. Can you hear the sound of the engine? One more time. RPMs are going up very slowly. Okay, from here. Perfect. Okay, Windows control. Windows control is working just fine, no problem at all. Check this one too. This one works perfectly. Now check the seats at the back here. Everything is clean. Perfect. Check this seat in here. Okay, let's check out the functions here. Let's start with the AC. Talk about the temperature on, AC is on, fan speed. The wind's coming out. It's coming out very cold and strong. Change the mode from here. Okay, so the AC works perfectly. The cold air is coming out smoothly. It's really cold. Perfect. Okay, let's try the audio. Okay. So the radio and AC is working, but this one for the sound is not working perfectly. So you can control it from here. Yep. But as you can see here, the screen is not working. This screen is not working here, I think. Yeah. So yeah, radio is working, just the screen is not working. AC is working perfectly. Here buttons are working. And we got this for snow options. Yeah, that should be all here.
Esta es USYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo deseen. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. De USYMAN.KR, el número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
So here we reached for the end of this video. As you have seen, the car is in a very good condition. Engine looks fine, the body is also very clean and fine. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. As usual, thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es de USYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210